Hey guys, Tech IQ here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install RAM, or random access memory if you like. Now, here I have some Hyper X Fury, not sponsored or anything. This is DDR3 1866, I believe, last time I checked when I ordered this. And today I'm going to show you how to install 2 sticks of these, so I have another one here. So, what you want to do is locate the RAM places on your motherboard. Okay, so to install, you have to open these 2 things at the back. You might be able to see them. Let me zoom in real quick. It's not focusing very well, but hey, there's 4 little things here, and that's what you need to put them into. You can see them better here. You can see 2 of mine are open, and you need to match up with the notch. So the notch on my side is closer to the bracket, and what you want to do, and this is differs from other motherboard makers. Mine only has 1 of these latches. Others, like you might be able to see, it's part of the GPU. Others only have 2. If you have 1, apply pressure to the one without the bracket first. So that's what I'm going to do. If I don't miss it, let me just ground myself real quick. Just make sure you're grounded. And we want to apply pressure to this side first. Oh wait, that's not in properly. Let me try that again. That's not seated properly. Hold up. Proving to be an issue here. Okay, that one's in. Yeah, okay. So now, apply pressure to the one without the notch first until you hear a click. That was 1. Then apply pressure to the other one until the bracket closes. And that's 1 stick of RAM installed. Then you want to do the same with another one. You can install 4 and you'll just do the same thing but with 4 sticks. So align the notch. This one will be all the way over here. Put it in the slot. I can find the slot again because RAM has quite a small seating area. Whoa. I believe that's almost seated. Having a bit of trouble here. There we go, that's seated. Apply pressure to one side. Wait, no, that's not seated. There we go. Apply pressure to one side, the one without the notch first, and then down on the other side until you feel the bracket close. I believe the brackets are closed, and that is your RAM installed. So thanks for watching. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe if you like, and I'll see you in the next video.